beautiful people. A great welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome and thanks for being here and hitting that like, subscribe, and share buttons. I really appreciate you. On this channel, I share restoration gems, which can help you improve the quality of your life, personally and professionally, change your mindset, build your confidence, and enhance your spirituality so you become the best version of yourself. Live purposeful and authentic. Today I am so excited because I have really good restoration gems to share with you. So let's get right into this video. This is the season for your restoration. Hallelujah. Going small. If everyone has the same number of hours in a day, why do some people seem to get so much more done than others? How do they do more, achieve more, earn more, have more? If time is the currency of achievement, then why are some able to cash in their allotment for more chips than others? The answer is they make getting to the heart of things the heart of their approach. They go small. When you want the absolute best chance to succeed at anything you want, your approach should always be the same. Go small. Going small is ignoring all the things you could do and doing what you should do. It's recognizing that not all things matter equally and finding the things that matter most. It's a tighter way to connect what you do with what you want. It's realizing that extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. The way to get the most out of your work and your life is to go as small as possible. Most people think just the opposite. They think big success is time-consuming and complicated. As a result, their calendars and to-do lists becomes overload and overwhelming. Success starts to feel out of reach, so they settle for less. Unaware that big success comes when we do a few things well. They get lost trying to do too much and in the end accomplish too little. Over time, they lower their expectations, abandon their dreams, and allow their life to get small. This is the wrong thing to make small. You have only so much time and energy. So when you spread yourself out, you end up spread thin. You want your achievements to add up, but they actually takes subtraction, not addition. You need to be doing fewer things for more effect instead of doing more things with side effects. The problem with trying to do too much is that even if it works, adding more to your work and your life without cutting anything brings a lot of bad with it. Missed deadlines, disappointing results, high stress, long hours, lost sleep, poor diet, no exercise, and missed moments with family and friends and loved ones. All in the name of going after something that is easier to get than you might imagine. My friends, going small is a simple approach to extraordinary results, and it works. It works all the time, anywhere and on anything. Why does it work? Because it has only one purpose: to ultimately get you to the point. When you go as small as possible, you'll be starting at one thing, and that's the point in going small. As success begot success, something else happened along the way. The language of the one thing emerged. Ask yourself, what's the one thing you can do this week such that by doing it, everything else would be easier or unnecessary? As you ask yourself this question, it will bring about a transformational moment because you will begin to understand that going small is the ideal thing to do if you want extraordinary results. Thank you for visiting my restoration channel. I trust that you have received some value from my discussion. Please leave your comments, hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. This will be helpful so that I can continue to bring you more restoration gems. This is Infinite Restorer, sending you more peace, more love, more light. Until I see you again, stay well.